In this tutorial, let's learn on how to register a new patient on RenalGenie. But before that, do not forget to like our YouTube channel, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. From Today Patients page, click on this plus icon to add a new patient. On this new patient page, let's begin with selecting the patient status, whether the patient is a permanent, walk-in or a visiting patient. Continue with filling up patient information on the following sections accordingly. Patient's name, gender, and date of birth. ID type and identification number. NRR registration number. Patient's demographic information. Address. Patient's family information. And user are also required to upload patient's documents. Having them available before the registration process will definitely speed up the process. Do take note that some documents in which marked with asterisk are compulsory, and user are required to upload them. Once completed, click on the Save button to proceed with registering this new patient. System prompt message that patient has been created and we have successfully registered this new patient on RenalGenie. Next, let's update this patient's clinical and treatment information. To add clinical information, click on the Add Info button and the system will redirect to the clinical information page. Proceed with entering the related information for diagnosis, medical history. Select current treatment type, hemodialysis or conservative, blood type, drug allergy, and virology status. It is crucial to update patient's virology status here, as this will influence patient's treatment scheduling in the system. Depending whether this patient is a normal, hepatitis B, or hepatitis C patient. Click Save and the system will prompt the message that patient has been updated. We have now successfully added patient's clinical information. Let us now proceed with adding the treatment information too for this patient. Similar to the clinical information just now, click on the Add Info button at the Treatment Information section to proceed. Enter the following information related to this patient accordingly. Patient mobility, whether this patient is ambulant or not. HD category. HD assistance. Doctors. Primary nurse. Referral information. Start of dialysis. And user may also specify their comments in this column if there is any. Once done, let's click on this Save button to proceed. System will prompt a successful message that patient has been updated. And we have successfully added treatment information for this patient. Should any changes or update required to the patient informations, user are able to edit by clicking on these pencil icons. Thank you for watching. Here is some video suggestion for you to watch next.